So if you haven't realized yet, we've been doing a lot of copycat recipes from a lot of restaurants that you like to partake in. And we want you to start making these things at home so you don't have to go out and rely on somebody else you don't know to touch your food. So I'm trying to pick items like the Taco Bell, excuse me, Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Everybody loves that, so I tried that out. And then now we're going to be doing, are you ready for this? You guys like Chipotle, right? Jack Jr. is working at Chipotle right now. One of my favorite items, they got a big sign. It's right on their app. It is their Queso Blanco. It is a white cheese dip. And we're going to make that today. We're going to recreate it, and it's going to be delicious. I can't wait. Are you excited? We got more of these copycat recipes in your way. We call them rip-off recipes, but they're pretty much the same thing. Come on in close. Look how simple this is. Just a few ingredients. You got fresh cilantro. Tammy's all happy over that. You got pepper jack cheese. This was very hard to find. White American cheese. If you can't find white American, use another white cheese, Monterey, or something different, okay? But this is white American. I found it. Oh, I didn't find it. My wife found it, and she got a big slab of it so we could use it in our video. Onion, tomato, jalapeno pepper. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get our flame going on medium. Heat a little bit of oil. Okay, you're gonna pop in your jalapeno peppers that you diced up. Pop those in there. You can hear it starting to sizzle a little bit. Put your onions in. Alright, you know when they're done, you'll see a few pieces have a little browning to them. And when you shake it around and you stir it around, it becomes very fragrant. When you could smell the onions and the jalapenos popping throughout the kitchen, not lightly, but a strong smell. It's about when you're done. Next, we're going to put in our cheese. This is the American cheese. Oh no, wait, I'm sorry. I can't tell. I believe, yeah, that's the pepper jack. My bad. This is the American. And I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but about half a cup of milk. Give it its creaminess. You're going to melt all that. Now I'm going to back off on my heat a little bit, just so I don't lose control of the way it's coming out. Don't lose control. Then just take a minute, grab your cilantro, and your tomatoes, drop them in. This is when I turn the flame off. You got enough heat to get that all mixed in. Give it a mix. Look at, the more you mix it, the more it looks like the real thing. Yes, we went a little heavy on cilantro. Not that we're not going to love it, but man, I'll let you know if it tastes anything like the Chipotle. It smells like it. Okay, so my wife is so awesome. She just ran out and got some Chipotle chips so we could have it for this video. Look how beautiful these are. I feel like I'm at my son's work right now. It smells great. All right, let's give it a try. Let me move this closer to me. The consistency is right on. There's a lot more cilantro. I can tell you right now, there's more green in this than the one you get at Chipotle. Here, let's go. Honestly, this is better. I can't tell my son, because I believe they make it fresh, right? This is better homemade. So forget buying queso. Well, I'm not trying to take any business away from Chipotle, but yeah, I am. Forget buying it at the restaurant. Make your own. Make a little tub of it. and then just zap it when you need it. Oh, see you guys later. Bye.